Wanna come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. The other day, me and a G, a reason about what AI robots will be able to do. Pre this, I'll make a whole reason. Listen to this song. 20 to $30,000 for the Optimus robot then. That's the price me here Elon Musk keep on showing out. 20 to 30 grand. That robot will be able to teach your kids, babysit your kids, cook, clean, go to the grocery store, serve your drink, barbecue your food around the back if that you want. This robot will be your personal slave. That's the word I use, slave. What's gonna happen when these robots malfunction? A lot of times we can't get our phone to function right, we have to reset it. A lot of the time our TV start acting up, we have to plug them out, them have to fix bug them, and the new one them have to recall some of them electric kind of vehicle, them have to do so much different recall and set up and update to all of these electronic devices. So what are the difference with these electronic devices? What happens when these start malfunction in our house? Imagine you have two of them in your big dirty house because your money enough. You have one, two or three of them here. You have one where do some yard work, do look at gardening, help fix up the little desk on, do the little pool work. You have one where help you out with the kids them. You have one where help out the kitchen and do the housework. And what happens when two of them start malfunction and go at it in your house? Now pop your whole house pop down. And here so we are heading up. Just look at it, look at the speed where G a choppy coconut with the it fast like lightning. The people, this new world where we are heading up, it's not a normal thing. We can't escape it still, you know. Because technology is increasing daily, you know. So we can't escape it, you know. But why? How much of it we can live with? How much? Tell me. How much of this can we live with? Isn't that pretty? It's not pretty out here. People, you know, so anytime them robots start hack up, we have to run left this place. Remember, you know, them build them robot here to update and upgrade regularly like a phone, them, you know, like all our smart devices, them, you know. Like every minute you have to update them, you know. And you see them restart and take forever to pop up back again. And the same thing will happen with them device here. But a problem we have when them ready to update and upgrade. That's where the trouble coming in, you know. Now it's gonna be a pretty world. This artificial intelligence world we are heading at, it now gonna be a pretty world when all of these robots start malfunction power. Remember me and tell you. Drop your thoughts and take it in the comment section. Drop it down there. Fling it in the comment section. Share it for those that need to see and hear it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet, please do so. Father Epic World on YouTube. Father Epic World on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Father Epic TV on Facebook. Hold on the like button and hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop, as they drop. So you don't miss a beat. See, break. With that being said, this is where the video ends. Excuse me? Chow breadcrumbs. One kerchief there. Excuse me?